He's officially not my friend. He tried to pick me twice. Look, watch yourself. He's not nice though. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a vlog, and it's going to be a vlog in this zoo, so stay tuned. Auntie Kissy, this is going to be on YouTube, I just say it. I didn't even do a proper introduction, but when I'm introducing, yeah, because I've been watched and I don't like that. But anyways, so I was trying to say basically is that this zoo is not developed like other zoos out there. It's a small zoo. At least we have a zoo in Trinidad. I don't think other people have zoos. Probably, I don't know. I don't know. I just love this song on my face. Like it's like I've been watched by so much people, but I just trying to be, you know, I want to get a hang of this YouTube thing. By the way, this is Pecorindo. Yeah, I cannot bust out the pack. You can barely see it, but dog, he's officially not my friend. He tried to pick me twice. Look, watch yourself. He's not nice though. He tried to pick me, dog, and not even me, this little bird friend. I'll hold on your little foot. Yes, I will hold on your foot. Okay. I can imagine getting a pick from my parrot matches. So guys, that was it for the parrots. You was barely seeing them in the cage. I don't know, probably due to the glare. Ah, look at guys. Right now we're on the monkey lane. I know it's funny, I barely have people in the zoo. That's a good thing. That's a good thing. If it had a lot of people, I would be vlogging right now. True. True. Hey, don't try to pull my hand. Bye. there, I run in to see big tiger and boom, nearly fall down on my foot sign to hurt. But again, I like this angle, but okay, I'm going to show you.
Blue Island. Huh?
We are big.
This one has two snakes, one on top and one below. No.
Hey guys, this vlog has come to an end. If you did like it, please give a big thumbs up because like this video was so random. Like I didn't know I was coming to the zoo much as the tapes, and I was like, you know what, I'm outside, why not tape it, because it has been a while I haven't posted and I want to post, like because your girls get you busy. But if you like it, as I said before, please like and subscribe because we in the little gang. So as I was telling, as I just said already, people where I'm from, people they just watch ya. No, I'm come out. I'm going in the sun. Y'all see me better. People just watch you like serious. Like why people just watch me, boy? Oh gosh, like I'm fed up. But please subscribe to my channel. Bye.